Today we got some lemon lime soda, some Reese's Pieces, some old rice that I've had for the past couple days, and some new rice on the right of it, some old pasta and the new pasta on the right of it, some blueberry muffins, some french fries and curly fry, popcorn, old popcorn that's been there for a couple days, and some new popcorn, and then some meat from yesterday. Alright, well, let's see if we gain birds today. I barely got any yesterday. I only got maybe 3 starlings at the most. In fact, to tell you the truth, I think that's all that came for the whole day. And when I got back home from school, they were gone. They weren't there anymore. I didn't see any birds around. I just saw sparrows at the bird feeder, Grandma's bird feeder, eating seeds. But that's it. But we'll see what we get today. I overslept today because I work at 4. And I was up till 3:30 last night. So we'll just have to do with whatever we get is what we get. Yeah, I'm only going to leave some of these items out for a couple hours, not the whole time. So here we go. Got all this meat here.